Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about bit set block in Simulink. How to use it and what are the use cases of bit set block. So moving on to bit set block. First, we'll see how to start Simulink. Type in Simulink in the command window and press enter. You'll find a Simulink start page, on which you can click blank model option to open Simulink untitled model. After selecting the blank model, you will get this Simulink untitled model, wherein you can start working on bit set block. To use bit set block, we need to check the library browser, which is as pointed on the window. In the library browser, you will find various kinds of library blocks. In the logic and bit operations library, you will find bit set and bit clear block as shown here, out of which we will learn about bit set block in this video. So, at first select the bit set block for our current use case. Now we'll add this to our model using right-click option and select Add to Model Untitled. So now we have added this block to our untitled model. We also need an input and output. Input in the form of integer, and output to check the binary as well as decimal value. So from the library browser, we will take input as constant and add it to our model. Similarly, we will add a display to check the output. Select the block, right-click and add it to the model. So here we have added display as well as constant block. We will select constant as 1 and we'll change the signal attribute output data type of the input block to integer. Here we will select data type as uint8. Click apply and OK. We will connect input to bit set block. Now we need to check the output of the bit set block in binary as well as decimal. So create a copy of this display. Select the block, press Ctrl and drag it to create a copy. We have one more display here which will be used for decimal, and we also need to check what is the binary value of our input. So we will create one more copy of display. Yes. Now, let's connect the constant input to display 2. We will also connect output of bit set block to display 1 and display block. Now, we'll set display 2 and display to binary format. So we have selected here binary store integer. Click apply and click OK. For the display we will do similar actions. We'll select the format as binary. We will click apply and OK. Now, we are about to set bit value of our input integer. So before running the simulation, I will open the bit set block. Here we can set the ith index of the input integer to 1. So the current index is 0th. We will set the index to 1. Click apply and OK. Now I will simulate the model and check the output. Here, output of constant 1 in binary value is 0, 1. As we have selected bit set to set first bit to 1, we have got first bit value, which was 0 earlier, set to 1 as shown on the display 1. And our decimal output is 3, because we have set the first bit to 1. So in this way, we have set the first bit of the input integer to 1. And we got the output of decimal 3 and binary as 011. Now we can try out with different bit index. We will set the bitset index to 2. Click apply and OK. We will again run the simulation to check the output. Now here, a constant input of decimal 1 has been changed to decimal 5. Because we have set second bit of constant to 1, which in binary is 101, and which is equal to decimal 5. So in this way we can set the ith bit of our input integer to 1 using bitset block. Hope you understood the usage of bitset block. Thank you and please keep watching.